Students, again we are here to discuss large numbers. In our previous video we have discussed about the smallest and greatest numbers of various digits and formation of greatest number and smallest numbers with given digits and comparison of numbers, rules related to the comparison of numbers and the rules related to the writing the numbers in expanded form. Here we are again here to discuss about the 7 digits number, because in the previous video we have discussed about the numbers with 6 digits. Now we will discuss about the number with 7 digits. As we have discussed in our previous video that the smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh. 1 along with 5 zeros. Okay, so it is 1 lakh, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So it is 1 lakh. It is smallest 6 digit number, and the greatest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. 9,99,999. Okay. If we have to enter into the 7 digit number, then we will add 1 to this number because it is the greatest 6 digit number. Okay, if we will move forward, then it will not be a 6 digit number. If we will add 1 to this number, it will become a 7 digit number. Okay, as we can see here, 9,99,999 plus 1. Okay, then it will become ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, or 10 lakh. Now it is not a 6 digit number, it has become a 7 digit number. We will see this number on the place value chart. The place value chart for 7 digit numbers. We have divided the numbers into different periods: ones period, thousands periods and lakhs period. We will discuss about these periods in this video in later on. So 0, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, so like this we will show the number on the place value chart. So some facts regarding the 7 digit number are here. Smallest 7 digit number is 10 lakh. Okay, smallest 7 digit number is 10 lakh, because if we will move before this number, so it will become a 6 digit number. So the smallest 7 digit number is 10 lakh and the greatest 7 digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. This is all about 7 digit number. Now we will discuss about 8 digit numbers. In the same way as we have to enter into the 8 digit number period, so we will enter into a new period of the place value chart, that is crore. Up to 7 digit number we were there in the lakhs periods only. Now we are having a new period, crore periods. Okay, so the smallest 8 digit number is 1 crore. Smallest 8 digit number is 1 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. Okay, and the greatest 8 digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay, as I have written here, 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay, now we will discuss about the writing of the numbers in words. Okay, right now we are discussing only about the Indian system of Indian number system. Okay, the international number system we will discuss in the later period of the chapter, but now we are discussing about the Indian system of number, so we will discuss about that only. So Indian system of numeration means the writing of numbers into word in Indian system. What are the rules related to that? First rule, to write the number in words is do not write the periods in plural. Okay, never write 5493 as 5493. No, the correct form is 5493. Here we are not adding S. You can see it. We are not adding S. We should write in singular form only. We should not write the periods into plural form. Okay. Second rule is do not use the word and before tens and ones. Okay. Do not read 5493 as 5493. No. It is a wrong method. How we should read the number? 5493 only. Okay. 93. Okay. Third rule is do not put commas when writing the numerals. Okay. Whenever we are writing the numerals, when we are writing in number forms, okay, when we are writing in the number forms, we should put the commas. Okay. But when we are writing in the numeral form, we should never put commas. Okay, never write 2468 as 2468. No, these are not different numbers. The number is, it is altogether one number only, 2468. So we should not put the commas in between. So the correct form is 2468. No commas should be there. Okay. Okay. Now we will discuss about the periods. As I have told you earlier also that we will discuss about the periods. So in Indian number system, many periods are there. We will discuss about the 4 periods here. First period is ones period. Okay. Ones period. The first 3 digits of any number, ones, tens, 100, will come under the ones period. Okay. Next 2 digits will come under the thousands period, 1000 and 10,000. Next 2 digits will come under the lakhs period, lakh and 10 lakhs. Okay. Next 2 digits will come under the crores period. Okay. Crore and 10 crores. Okay. These periods, when we are writing the number under these periods, whenever we are reading the number, we should read the number of one period together. Okay. 498. We will not read it as 400 separately, tens, 2 tens separately and 9 ones separately. No, it will be 493. Okay. If we are talking about the thousands periods, 49,000. Okay. We will not read it as 40,000 plus 90,000. No, we will read it together. 48 lakhs. We will not read it as 40 lakhs and 8 lakhs. No, we will. So for one period, we will read the number together. Okay. Now we will do the exercise. We will start the first exercise of the chapter. Exercise number 1.1. So the first question is, give the number names and the expanded form. Okay. So the first question is 23, 89, 009. So first of all, we will put the number into place value chart as I have written here. Okay. First of all, I have made the chart. Then I have put the numbers into the chart. Okay. So the number is, as we can see, 23,89,009. No numbers are there at hundreds and tens place. So we will read it as 23,89,009. Okay. Now in the question it is given, we have to write the number into the expanded form also. So we will write the number 23. So 20 lakh, 3 lakh, 20 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 80,000, 1000 plus 9000 plus 9, because in between no numbers are there, so we are not writing it here. So in the same way, the question number 4 is 8 crore 76 lakh 89,129. So the number is 8 crore 76 lakh 89,129. Okay. In the expanded form, we will write it as, we will count the number. The easiest way is, if we are writing the expanded form, we will start it from here. First of all, we will write 8. Okay, 8. Then after that, we will write the number of zeros on the place of different digits. Okay. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will write 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Like this, we will write the expanded form. Okay. Next question is, write the numbers and the expanded form. The first question is 50 lakh 66,910. So 50 lakh. So 50 lakh we will write 50, comma 66,000. So 66, comma 910. 910. We will write the expanded form in the same way. In the second question, 78 lakh 56,000. So we are writing 78, comma 56, comma, and after that no numbers are there, so 000. Okay. In the same way, we will write the expanded form. So question number C is, which is the greatest 7-digit number? Show it on a place value chart. As we all know, we have discussed it earlier also. Simply I put the number into the place value chart. Okay. So 99 lakh 99,999 is the 7-digit number, greatest 7-digit number, and I have shown is this on the place value chart. Rest of the things we will discuss in the next video. Exercise 1.1, the rest of the questions of exercise 1.1 is your homework. You will do in your notebook. Thank you.